Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, Monday, September 3rd. We are starting a new month with a little bit of trouble in terms of economic data. Today, we got ISM and global manufacturing PMI data, and coupled with the fact that employment it's also ticking lower, we have a little bit of problems in the Nasdaq and in the overall markets to really hold the previous levels that were holding on Friday. So all the data today, it's below 50, including new orders. So having this below 50 means contraction. And one thing is slowdown, and another thing perhaps is a worry, fears about a massive slowdown and big recession fears. So this is what today is doing. This is what data today is showing, and that's why we are seeing such a huge sell-off since the overnight. Because on Friday I told you I'm quite bullish going into next week. On Monday we got this push to the upside, and I was thinking this buy side liquidity that we've been leaving behind at 19,700, we've been leaving behind that for 1 week. This is going to happen sooner or later, but looks like more later than sooner, because today we are taking lows of Friday, we are taking this order block on the 15-minute, and we are right now at last week low. So we touched last week low, and we are seeing this kind of push, but today's market is pretty weak, starting with Nvidia with minus 7.67%, pretty heavy. And not only Nvidia, we have the entire semiconductors more than 5% in the red. Banks are also in the red. We have dollar barely holding, but yields are deep in the red. The 2-year yield is in the red. The 10-year yield is in the red. And we are around the corner in terms of an inversion. So there's a lot of stuff going on starting September. September is usually one of the worst months or one of the most difficult months to trade. And I think this is what happens. But let me tell you, we were wrong for today, but I still think there's upside potential. Right now, we are bouncing from last week low established, and I think these highs are going to be their dragging price action at some point. So let's wait to see how the week goes through, how the week evolves. Right now I didn't trade today. I had my level, my last level. Okay, I'm not going to touch the Nasdaq today because I told you on my last week, on my weekly recap, that I was not going to short this market. So this was my last zone, and I decided to stop trading for the day, and I'm going to watch. I'm going to watch how we close. I'm going to watch what kind of structure we build at these lows. And then I'm going to reassess for tomorrow. And that's what I'm going to do. So pretty quick video. We are deep in the red today, quite weak, but let's see how we close. Let's have patience. We just started trading September, and there's a lot more opportunities to come. I think at some point, given the open interest that was shown last week on the Nasdaq and on the DS, I think we have to really be patient. Now, sitting tight for longs and waiting with patience. And that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that today the trading is a really trend to the downside trend day. It's pretty difficult, and there's a lot of liquidity, a lot of shorts in this market. Let's see if we can see some kind of push towards 500s or 400s. Let's see how we close. That's the important thing, to see if this downside action fails. And if not, we'll wait for more opportunities tomorrow. The most important things are patience, discipline, and risk management. So stay safe and see you tomorrow.